What if I told you that millions of people are making thousands of dollars each month, right from their living rooms? It sounds too good to be true, but it's happening every day. Imagine turning your free time into a cash-making machine, paying off those unexpected bills, and still having money left over for the things you love. In this video, we're uncovering 15 of the best side hustles for beginners in 2024 that could change your life faster than you think. Number 1. Freelance content writing. Freelance content writing is one of the easiest ways to start earning money online without much upfront investment. If you've got a knack for writing or even just a good grasp of grammar, you can start creating blog posts, product descriptions, or even social media captions for businesses. The secret here? Niche down. Instead of trying to write about everything, pick a specific industry like tech, health, or finance, and become an expert in that area. This will not only make your writing more valuable, but also help you stand out in a crowded market. Plus, once you have a few samples, you can start pitching directly to businesses, where the real money is made, rather than sticking to crowded freelancing platforms. Number 2. Social media management. If you spend hours on Instagram or Twitter, why not get paid for it? Social media management is perfect for those who understand the ins and outs of different platforms. Start by managing accounts for friends or local businesses to build up your portfolio. A little-known fact is that many businesses are desperate for help with their social media, especially small businesses that don't have the time or know-how to manage it themselves. Offer to take this off their plate, and not only will you earn money, but you'll also gain experience that can turn into a full-fledged business. Number 3. Online tutoring. Do you excel in a particular subject? Online tutoring might be your calling. With platforms like Chegg and Tutor.com, you can start teaching students from around the world right from your living room. What makes this hustle special is that you can set your own hours and choose what subjects you want to teach. Here's a pro tip. Focus on high-demand subjects like math, science, or languages, as these tend to pay more. Not only does tutoring offer good pay, but it's also incredibly rewarding to help someone else learn and grow. Number 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping has become a go-to side hustle for many beginners because it requires little upfront investment and no inventory management. You set up an online store, list products that are shipped directly from suppliers, and you earn a profit on each sale. The catch? Success in dropshipping comes from finding the right niche and suppliers who offer quality products. The secret sauce is to target trending products or niche markets with less competition. Use tools like Google Trends or social media to spot what's hot and capitalize on it before everyone else does. Number 5. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are in high demand, especially with so many people now working remotely. As a VA, you could be doing anything from managing emails to scheduling appointments or even handling social media. The best part? You can work from anywhere on your schedule. To make yourself stand out, specialize in something like managing digital marketing tasks or offering bookkeeping services. Businesses are willing to pay more for specialized skills, and this is where you can carve out a profitable niche. Number 6. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases without worrying about inventory or shipping. Platforms like Printful or Teespring make it easy to get started. What's exciting about this hustle is that you can express your creativity and build a brand around your designs. Here's a tip. Instead of going for generic designs, try to tap into micro niches. Think of fandoms, quirky hobbies, or inside jokes that resonate with specific groups. This strategy helps you connect with an audience that's passionate and ready to buy. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission on every sale made through your referral link. The beauty of this side hustle is that you don't need to create your own products. Focus on promoting products you genuinely use and love, because authenticity sells. Start by creating content around these products on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or a blog. The secret to success here is consistency and transparency. Your audience needs to trust your recommendations. Number 8. Pet sitting and dog walking. If you love animals, pet sitting and dog walking could be the perfect side hustle. Services like Rover or Wag make it easy to connect with pet owners in your area who need help. Besides the obvious perk of getting to spend time with furry friends, this hustle is great because it offers flexibility. You can choose when and how much you work. The hidden gem here? Many pet sitters build such strong relationships with their clients that they turn this into a full-time gig with regular bookings and referrals. Number 9. Photography. Got a decent camera or even just a smartphone with a good camera? Photography can be a lucrative side hustle. You don't need to be a professional. Start by offering your services for events like birthdays, family gatherings, or even product shoots for local businesses. Here's a tip. Specialize in something niche like pet photography or Instagram-worthy food photography, and you'll find clients eager for your unique style. The secret to standing out is building a portfolio and showcasing your best work on platforms like Instagram or a personal website. Number 10. Online course creation. If you have a skill or knowledge in a particular area, why not create an online course? Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to get started. The great thing about this hustle is that once your course is live, it can become a source of passive income. The trick? Focus on creating courses in high-demand areas like tech skills, personal finance, or health and wellness. And here's a little-known fact. Niche courses often do better than broad ones. People are looking for specific solutions, so the more targeted your course, the better. Number 11. YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel might seem daunting, but it's one of the most rewarding side hustles out there. Whether you are into gaming, beauty, or DIY, there's an audience for every interest. The key to growing on YouTube is consistency and engagement, posting regularly and interacting with your viewers. What many people don't realize is that YouTube isn't just about ad revenue. You can also make money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products. The best part? You get to build a community around something you're passionate about. Number 12. Renting out space. If you have an extra room, a basement, or even just some storage space, you can rent it out for extra cash. Platforms like Airbnb or even local storage rental sites make it easy to list your space. The hidden perk of this side hustle is that it requires minimal effort once you've set it up. You're essentially earning passive income, especially if you're renting out storage space where there's little maintenance involved. And here's a fun fact. Some people are making thousands a month just by renting out their unused space. It's like turning your home into a mini business. Number 13. Task-based apps. Task-based apps like TaskRabbit or GigWalk allow you to earn money by completing small tasks for others. Whether it's assembling furniture, running errands, or even standing in line for someone, there's a market for almost anything. This side hustle is great for those who like variety and flexibility. The secret to earning more on these platforms is to build up positive reviews quickly. Once you've got a good reputation, you'll start getting more lucrative tasks, and clients will be more likely to seek you out directly. Number 14. Handcrafted goods selling. If you're crafty or enjoy making things by hand, selling handcrafted goods on platforms like Etsy can be a fulfilling side hustle. From jewelry to home decor, there's a market for unique handmade items. The trick is to find your niche, something that sets your products apart from the mass-produced items. Fun fact, personalization is huge right now. Adding custom options to your products can significantly increase their value and appeal to buyers looking for something special. Number 15. Ride-sharing or delivery. Driving for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft, or delivering for apps like DoorDash, is a side hustle that offers immediate income. The flexibility is unmatched. You can choose your hours and work as much or as little as you want. What most people don't know is that there are peak times when you can earn more, like late nights or during bad weather. Plus, if you're strategic about the areas you work in, you can maximize your earnings. It's not just about driving. It's about playing the game smartly to get the most out of your time on the road. And there you have it, 15 side hustles that are perfect for beginners in 2024. Whether you are looking to make a little extra cash or build something bigger, there's something on this list for everyone. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is to start small.